Do you want to promote a website and encourage people to take valuable actions on it? If so, we have the right objective for you, and it is the conversions objective. The conversions objective is about getting people to do something on your website, like registering an account, adding something to their cart, or making a purchase. With this objective, conversion rates should always be monitored for successful measurement. To help you with that, TikTok Pixel is a must-have. You can use TikTok Pixel to track and record visitor actions. Charlie is a fashion designer who recently debuted a new clothing line on their online store. Rather than raise awareness about their new products, Charlie wants to use their advertising budget to drive sales on their website. To do this, Charlie needs to select the conversions objective. The conversions objective will allow Charlie to choose an action they want people to perform on their website, like placing an order and how much they are willing to spend for that action to occur. Before you launch a conversions campaign, it's important to ask yourself, what aspect of your marketing funnel are you trying to improve? Are you trying to get people to add something to their cart or drive purchases? Or maybe you just want people to view your product pages. Just keep in mind when planning conversions campaigns, as your business grows, your campaign objectives will change as well. So, it's important to understand your goals and what advertising objective best supports them. If you have any questions about other advertising objectives, check out the rest of our videos about TikTok Ads Manager's advertising objectives.